Good morning, everyone. My name is Min. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a wild day. I am packing for Vietnam and I need to clean the house because we're having a party for my husband tonight for his birthday. It's going to be a wild day today. I also plan on getting my nails done and going to Target. There's just going to be a lot going on. This morning I'm going to eat breakfast because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. We are going to... I was gonna eat cereal, but I don't have milk anymore because I finished the milk yesterday. We're gonna eat breakfast. It's not gonna be cereal, it's gonna be something else, and I'll figure it out. It's 9:01 on a Friday, and the temperature is going to be high of 68. But honestly, I think I wanna wear a dress that I don't have to worry about wearing a bra for, and because I just don't want to get dressed up today. So let me figure out what I am going to wear. Okay, so I just changed into an athletic dress from Target. It is so cute and comfortable. I love it. I am going to wash my face and get ready. So I am done getting ready. Let's go let Lila out and take her to her boarding train. Good morning, Storm. Hi. Good morning, Juno. Hi. Hi, Sherman. Okay. Oh, she found a squirrel immediately. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Lila. Let's open up this bark box. It is the holiday party, holiday party themed one. There is cute, a little bubbly. She came immediately. Do you want this? Do you want this? There, you can have that. And then we also have a hide a treat one where you can like take it out and put treats inside here. The treats inside are the cheesy peasy soft bakes and also the clucky jerky trainers. So I'm going to open these and I'm going to put them inside here for her and let's see if she enjoys it. You ready? You ready? Good girl. Wait. Okay. Okay, I feel like we're getting somewhere now. And she did it. Congrats, Lila. You got your treats. I'm gonna make some coffee. I drink the Copico coffee mix. Honestly, these are so easy. I am not a coffee person at all, but when I want some coffee, I crave just something very simple. And this is the 3-in-1 coffee mix. Basically, you just pour it into a mug, which I love my Kirby mug. Shout out to Jackson Liz for this. And you just pour water into it, and then it's ready to go. It has cream, sugar, and the coffee in it as well. Storm. Storm and Lila do not get along very well, so that was what was going on there. All I have to do is open up the pack, pour it in. This is what it looks like inside. It's literally just a mix. Then I'm gonna take my hot water and pour that in there. And now I have coffee ready to go. And then also what I like to do to add a little bit of flavor is I use this coffee creamer in hazelnut. Put that in here just a little bit. It's going to be piping hot, but I really want to take a sip right now, so we'll see. Yeah, it was hot, but ooh, that's good. That is good coffee. I know it's like blasphemous to be drinking coffee like this, but man, they know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. You know, I feel like I deserve a little bit of a quiet morning before the craziness of today, so I'm actually going to sit and journal a little bit before I get started for the day. I love to just sit here and turn on a few lights. I started a junk journal, and so basically from my trip in Houston, I just saved some of the receipts and I decided to tape them into here. And then also journal on the other side, and then I taped a few more of the things that I got from Houston. This morning I really feel like maybe drawing some things, so I think that's what I'm gonna do while I just sit here and enjoy my coffee before I have to do all the craziness. So this is what I got. Honestly, that filled up my drawing craving this morning, so done with that. I switched it over to my iPhone because I needed the SD card to edit some videos. I think I'm ready to post another video today, even though I posted one yesterday. But hey, if I got the content, why not post it? So I'm going to export this. I think this is going to be called the Nothing Happens vlog. I'm going to change the cover design. So I'm choosing a cover photo right now, and I chose one that just says Nothing Happens. So now I'm going to export this in 4K. Love that. While I'm waiting for the video to process, I'm going to do a little bit of work. I am working a half day today, so I'm going to answer some emails. Someone is asking for some old schedules, so that is what I am going to send. Honestly, this coffee is so good. I would make another cup. The video is done, so now I'm going to upload it onto YouTube. Wait, no, I need to finish what I was doing for work first. Now I'm going to put it on YouTube, and I can show you what my process is for that. Press create, upload video. I'm going to click on the Nothing Happens vlog. I'm gonna title it Come to Work With Me and My Morning Routine. And then in parentheses, I think Nothing Happens vlog is gonna be something that I am going to start doing. And then for the description, I'm gonna do just practicing vlogging and upload a file for the cover. I love to just sit here and watch my video upload. So that is honestly what I'm gonna do for the next 3 minutes. It's gonna be my last downtime before I get up and actually start doing things that I need to do for the rest of the day. This is so exciting. I love uploading a new video. And voila, the video has been uploaded. So I am headed to go get my nails done right now. I'm going to one of my favorite nail salons. I'm getting a pedicure and a manicure. I needed a little bit of a break from packing for Vietnam. My bedroom looks literally insane right now. There's just so much going on. I needed a little mind break from it. It's only 11:20 and it feels like I've done so much today. Come with me to get my nails done. I think I want to redo this red color and do it on my toes as well. I don't think my nails look super bad, but they're definitely outgrown. So I want them to be nice and shiny and perfect for whenever I go to Vietnam. So I just finished getting my nails done, and now it is time to clean because this is a big mess and we're having a party tonight. So I need to do that before I shower and get ready for the day. So I'm going to just put all this away. Okay, so I did a little bit of picking up around the house. It's not like the cleanest that we've ever had it, but it'll have to do because it's only me right now. So this is what we're going for. While I'm waiting for Nico to get home, I am going to recurl my hair, and then I'll probably put on makeup and just be makeup and hair ready for the party, and then I'll change into my outfit whenever Nico gets here. So let's curl my hair. Okay, so I'm actually going back out to H-E-B because I need to go pick up Nico's cake and I need to get snacks and stuff for the party. So come with me to H-E-B. Okay, so I am actually a little stressed out right now. I am looking for icing. I usually make a cheese board, but today I am not going to be making a cheese board. I'm literally just going to be doing a pre-made board that H-E-B has. I'm so stressed. This has got to be the most chaotic vlog ever. I just got finished coming from H-E-B, getting all the things for the party, and now I'm packing for Vietnam because we're leaving in 2 days. So I have all my clothes here, and I'm just gonna put everything into packing cubes, and hopefully it all fits in the suitcase. Nico and I are gonna share a suitcase. Hey, Lila. So I think I packed all my clothes. We're about ready for clothes. Now I'm gonna pack up my toiletries. For toiletries, I'm gonna pack things in this larger case. First, I need to clean it out because it is gross. This is going to have my cleanser and my toner, my Caudalie face wash. I'm also putting my eyebrow razor in here as well. So this one is my carry-on bag. It'll have everything in here that I need for my carry-on stuff. And then I am going to put everything else in this larger bag for my check-in bag. Actually, what I think I need to do right now is decompress and just do my makeup because I am stressed right now. Let me tell you that I'm stressed. I need to recurl some of my hair because I did bad. But for now, let me just get ready for the party and worry about that packing later. The reason why that I'm stressed about packing is because we are actually going to Houston tomorrow. We're flying out of Houston and staying with my parents for 1 night in Houston, or actually 2 nights in Houston. And then, wow, I am completely out of that. I think I only have time for some light makeup right now, so that is what I'll be doing. This blush is awesome. This blush is Mood from Merit Beauty. I love them so much. I'm first placing blush on my cheeks so that it can look natural whenever I put the concealer on top. And I am basically out of this concealer, but I'm going to try to use what is left of it, scraping it for this last makeup look. I'm really going willy-nilly with all of this right now. I don't even know what makeup look I'm going for. I fear I have flown too close to the sun and I thought that I could do a lot today, but turns out there's not a lot of hours in the day whenever you have a lot to do, like pack for a 12-day trip to Vietnam. Also, the fact that we need to take Lila to Austin before we go to Houston tomorrow is throwing a little wrench in things. But you know what? We're here. We got this. I'm gonna wear a little bit of powder. I think I want to do pink for my look today, so ooh. I'm gonna top it off with the cream blush that comes with it. Do a little bit of highlight. Oh, I love a good highlight. Love that. I'm gonna go in with this Kulfi Beauty cream shadow. Oh, it's so pretty. And for my outer lids, I'm just gonna go in with a bronze color. And we're gonna do some brown liner. And I'm gonna do my lashes now. Honestly, I wish I got my brows done before leaving for Vietnam, but here we are. This brow gel is kind of amazing. Like, it looks like I have a brow lift. I'm going to ever so slightly fill them in. Okay, now I'm gonna set my face. This stuff smells so good. I am obsessed with it. Then just a little bit of the One Size On Till Dawn on my T-zone. And for lips, I'll be using this Kulfi Beauty in First Sorry. Okay, here is the finished look. Nico is finally home! I am so excited that he's finally home because I get to, well, first of all, see him because I haven't seen him in a week. And I wanted to open all of his packages because I don't have any packages of my own to open. So I'm gonna wait for him to come over here so that he doesn't miss whatever is in his packages. So the first one is socks. We like socks. You can open some packages too. There's a lot. Nico's been gone for an entire week, so he has a lot of packages to open. Oh, cute! We got socks. Whoa, that reminds me of Howl's Moving Castle. Got a Criterion.
As a gift from a friend.
Aw, for who?
Me.
Wait, is it a gift too?
Well, kind of, yeah.
Is it a gift from yourself?
Well, it's a gift for Matthew.
Oh, can't show that.
Oh.
Aww.
Wow, jeez. This might take a little while.
That's okay. I edit things down. We have a Barnes & Noble.
It's Big Bang Theory.
I love that.
Favorite show.
Nico's never seen it.
Funny.
Oh, it's a gift.
Ross Gay, my goat.
Ooh.
A Prose Miracle. Bragg's, or some, yeah, exactly.
Oh, we need more trash. Now I need to...
Yeah, it's a birthday card. You can tell because it says.
This is a birthday card, is what it says. Ooh, Terry Pratchett. I want to read Terry Pratchett.
Well, it's mine, so.
Oh.
It's a Discworld novel. Very, very thoughtful.
So thoughtful.
Yeah, exactly. It's from Sean.
Oh. What is it?
B-Law. Yeah. It's funny. Oh, that's so sweet. He was telling me about this series in Houston the other day.
Ooh.
So it's the only manga he's ever read. It's the best.
Oh my gosh, you got so many books for your birthday.
There's a movie of it. It's out now.
Thanks for letting me open your packages.
Bazinga.
Bazinga. Okay, so I set up for the party. The theme is to wear something that you bought for an occasion but can't wear again. So it's kind of like, we know you look great. How about you deck yourself out even more? We have masks and crowns and hats, and then they can make bracelets and deck themselves out with all the decor. Also over here, we have gingerbread houses for people to make. Juno is going to watch, of course. We got our cozy jazz on, and we're ready to party. Okay, so this was my outfit for the night. This is from our rehearsal dinner. And it is now about 12:30 a.m. It is time for bed because we have to get up at 9 a.m. tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and maybe I'll see you next time.